what's up, Sim here. This is the GodView 5K AR glasses. I've been using it for a couple of days and here's my honest review. Please note that the unit I'm reviewing in this video is a prototype and the official unit might be different and has a different result. So without further ado, let's get started. The box I received includes a bag, an English user manual, the GodView glasses itself, a bridge, we'll get to that in a second, several cables and a cleaning cloth, and that's all. Now move to the glasses. Unlike those giant-sized VR goggles that we normally see on the market, this one is just like a pair of normal sunglasses. It's quite lightweight and portable. The whole glasses are made of plastic and have a smooth hand feel to it, but feel a little bit cheap. Now let's check the setups. The first time I connected, as per the manual, I was just connecting my phone with the glasses via the Type-C cable that comes with the box. However, nothing happened. So I contacted the official GodView and then they told me to try the bridge because the phone I'm using may not have a display port output function. So I went to use the bridge for the connection. It's not that complex. Just use another cable to connect the glasses and the bridge. Press the button once on the bridge, the indicator will light up, and wait for a few seconds, it will be connected, and should be able to see this interface from the lens here. It's hard to show you in the camera, so I just cropped the picture from the menu here. Then turn on the cast icon on your phone, select the device, wait for a few moments, that's it. You're ready to go. Now let's talk about my user experience. At first glance, I was just blown away by the image's clarity and brightness this GodView offers. You can literally watch videos or even play games wherever and whenever you want. I tried different scenarios, it all has a vivid image quality, and the best part is it offers a total new way to interact with your phone. You can now just lie there and watch videos without holding your phone. But there is a big but here. After merely a while, I give up. This pair of AR glasses have way more disadvantages than I thought, and yeah, it's hard to recommend. The biggest issue is the huge latency. When you watch videos, you can literally feel, I guess, at least 1 to 1.5 seconds latency. Sometimes the video that's showing on the lens even has a mosaic effect on it, and even the original one doesn't have it all. So with this lag, it's just impossible to play games unless you want to be a drag on your teammates. Second is the heat issue. From my test, I just used for 5 or 6 minutes, it starts running hot. I don't know if it's because of the heat or something. My eyes start getting sore and I feel dizzy. It's just impossible to use these glasses to watch a normal movie or even longer videos. Third is the image quality. I have to admit, like I said before, it's clear and bright, but somehow, no matter how I adjust the position of the glasses, the edges up and below the video are always stretched and blurry. It looks like this. You might have seen the official video for the glasses and you thought you are going to watch videos in such wide sizes. No, that's not gonna happen. What you will really see is the same size as your phone screen that's floating in front of your eyes. So yeah, the GodView glasses are not providing the best viewing experience. Others, like during the whole setups, the device is just full of bugs, like the bridge's Wi-Fi always disconnects itself and you have to plug off the cable and reconnect all the time. And the connection between the phone and the glasses is not stable either. The bridge has a weird battery life. Each time I have to fully charge before using, otherwise it won't turn on. It's just frustrating to use. Now I'm sending back the GodView to the factory and I just feel so sad about it. This product could be a really good one, that everyone owns it for its portability, its usability, except all the bugs. And even the price, it offers a totally new way to interact with our world that's easy and fun. But right now, it's just not good enough. I do hope for future iterations, GodView could do a much better job and I will definitely support it. But not this one.